Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Hammer Blade 5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open. And here click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now select AI assistant and here you have to allow this app to display over other apps, then click back. Now click back again and you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.